Today we will discuss 10 number of questions which are of 1 mark each, and it is standard examination mathematics standard paper of the year 2023. Now come to the first question. The graph of y is equal to p of x is given. This is the polynomial p of x. This is the graph. Now we know that. First I am going to tell some concepts regarding these graphs. First one is, if a quadratic polynomial, let it is p of x, is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of the polynomial. If here actually a, b, c and c are the coefficients of the polynomials. If a is greater than 0, then graph opens up. Graph opens up. That means graph will look like this. If a is less than 0, suppose it is less than 0, then graph opens down. Opens down. That means it will go in this way or in this way, like this. Here a is less than 0 and here a is greater than 0. Here a is less than 0. Okay. Another thing is, if the polynomial or the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, then it will have 2 roots, 2 zeros. Actually the zeros of the polynomials is same as the roots of the quadratic equation. The number of zeros will be 2 if we intersect like this. Here number of zeros is equal to 2. And in this case the number of zeros will be equal to 1, and both are actually same root. There are 2 roots which are same, so we consider it as one root. That means it is in the form of y is equal to minus k into a. If this point is a, that is x minus a whole square. This will be in this form, and here the root is only a, so the number of roots will be equal to 1. If graph cuts twice, it will have 2 roots. If it touches the x-axis, it will have only 1 root. Next question is, the value of k for which the pair of equation kx is equal to 2. First we write both these equations. Suppose equation 1 if we will write, it is kx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Similarly equation 2 will be 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. If for infinitely many solution, we know that a1 by b1, a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 will be equal to c1 by c2. Here if you will see, a1 is equal to k by 6 should be equal to minus 1 by minus 2 and should be equal to minus 2 by minus 3, which is not possible. These two are not equal. Hence the value of k will not exist. This is for, actually this was for infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution, we will have this condition. We need this condition to be satisfied. Okay. Next is question number 3. For question number 3, we know that if a, b, c, suppose are 3 numbers which are in AP, then b minus a will be equal to, that is r in AP, we will write fully like this, are in AP, then B minus A will be equal to C minus B, or 2B is equal to A plus C. That means B is the arithmetic mean and B is equal to A plus C by 2. Now we will write here, in place of A it is P minus 1, it is B and it is C. So 2 times P plus 1 will be equal to P minus 1 plus 2P plus 3, or 2P plus 2 will be equal to 3P plus 2. If 2 will cancel out, then we will get P. This implies P is equal to 0. Now question number 4. In what ratio does x-axis divide the line segment joining the points? Suppose the point A is a point here. This is point A. This is point B. Let point A is having coordinate 3 and 6, and it is minus 12 and minus 3. Suppose P is a point here which divides in M and N ratio to the line A and B, to the line AB. Now P is having coordinate x and y. It does x-axis divides. X-axis divides means on x-axis y is equal to 0. X-axis y will be equal to 0, and we will get y is equal to 0 implies that how will find y? Y is equal to m into y2 minus 12 plus n into m into not minus 12, m into minus 3. Y coordinate, you have to take the y coordinate, minus 3 plus n times 6 divided by m plus n, which is equal to 0. Now we will get, this implies m, that is minus 3m plus 6m, n is equal to 0, or 3m is equal to 6n, or we will get m by n will be equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2:1, or 2 by 1, that is 2:1. The answer will be 2:1. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Here PQ is the tangent, and first concept is tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. That means this angle will be equal to 90 degree. OBQ angle will be equal to 90 degree. This angle OBQ angle will be equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now OA is equal to OB because they are radius. OA is equal to OB because radius of the circle. So that means this angle, if we will take OAB angle will be equal to angle OBA, and that is equal to 180 minus 95, because all the three angles sum is equal to 180 degree in OAB triangle. So each angle OAB and OBA will be equal to this by 2. That means this is equal to 85 by 2. 85 by 2 means it is 42.5 degree. Now the question is, you have to find out ABQ angle. You see, in case of ABQ angle, this is equal to OBQ angle, which is 90 degree, minus OBA angle, which is 42.5 degree. 90 degree minus 42.5 degree, which will be equal to 47.5 degree. This will be the answer. Next question is question number 6. 2 tan A is equal to 3 by 2. Here This implies that tan A is equal to 2 tan A is equal to 3. That means tan A is equal to 3 by 2. Now the expression is 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. We can rewrite by dividing cos A to the numerator and cos A to the denominator. We will get 4 sin A by cos A plus 3 cos A by cos A divided by 3 sin A by cos A minus 3 cos A by cos A, which will be equal to 4 tan A plus 3 divided by, sorry, it is 3, that is 4, it is 4 sin A, that is 4 tan A minus 3. This implies that if we will put the value of tan A, which is equal to 3 by 2, then it will be equal to 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 divided by 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3. It is cancelled out, it is 2, it is also 2, that will be equal to 6 plus 3, 9 divided by 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. 9 by 3, which is equal to 3 is the answer. Question number 7. Alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial. We know that the standard form of the polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of the polynomial p of x. And here we know that the zero sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a and product of zeros is equal to c by a. Now for this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is minus 1 by 1, which is equal to also minus 1. Now 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is same as alpha plus beta by alpha beta. If alpha beta taking as LCM, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 and alpha beta is again is equal to minus 1. So that is answer is equal to 1. Question number 8. The least possible value of k for which the quadratic equation has rational. It is an interesting question. Rational roots. We know that alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, and by quadratic formula we know that this is equal to b square minus 4ac by 2a. Alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. It will be rational if you see if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square. If it is not perfect square, if anything else, then it will be an irrational number. It will be real, no doubt, but it will be irrational. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, it will be irrational. Roots will be irrational. If it is greater than 0 and perfect square, then it will be rational. That means we have to check b square minus 4ac. So what is b square minus 4ac here? B square minus 4ac will be equal to k square minus 4, in place of a it is 2, c is minus 4. That means it is k square plus 32. K square plus 32 will be perfect square for least positive number. It is perfect square means it will be equal to 6. The nearest perfect square of 32 is 36. This implies k square is equal to 4 or k is equal to plus minus 2. But what is you see here, plus minus 2 option is also there, but it is the question is least positive value of k. You have to take the least positive value of k, positive value. So that is k is equal to 2 will be the answer. You have to be careful. Question number 9. 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree. If you will see this, just put the values of trigonometry functions into tan square 30 degree. We know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, then tan square 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square, minus we know that cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sec 45 is equal to root 2, that means it is root 2 square, plus sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, you can write root 3 by 2 square. Then next this is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 3 by 4, or that is equal to 3 and 3 cancelled out. This we can rewrite this as 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 2, or that is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 2, or that is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 2, that is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. The answer will be minus 1. The last question, question number 10. The curved surface area of a cylinder. We know that the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. That it is given that 94.2 centimeter square. Now you can write 2 into, in place of pi we will write 22 by 7, into radius of the cylinder we have to find out, into height of the cylinder given that height h is given that 5 centimeter. We put it 5 centimeter over here, that will be 94.2 centimeter square, or you can write r will be equal to 94.2 divided by 10 into 7 by 22. It is actually 3.14 it is given. You better write 3.14. In place of pi we will write 3.14. 2 into pi, 3.14 into r into 5 is equal to 94.2. Now you can write 9 into 3.14, or that is equal to 9.42 divided by 3.14, which is equal to 3 centimeter. This is the radius of the cylinder.